Hey there, folks. Joseph here, presenting the Cornerstone Agentic Score. So basically what we do is we provide credit scores for autonomous agents that lenders can use to lend money to agents. Why this is good? Agents don't sleep. Agents are observable. Agents don't take your money and run away. So there's been a little bit of appetite for this. I've been in contact with folks from Hong Kong, as well as from the United States, and even in Europe. So no sales yet, but basically, this is how it works. You can get a score. Everything is autonomous. It's very cheap. And therefore, it's usable. There's a package for the agent skills. So if you tell your agent to do this, it can basically use the service. This is the NPM package. So this is actually our storefront. This is destined for autonomous agents, and this is our store window, the skills hub, where autonomous agents can discover the skill and use it. So these are the instructions on how to use the skill, and this skill then allows the agent to do many things, but most importantly, to use our services. Here, folks. So I just wanted to show you this. This is what a clean install of OpenClaw looks like on Windows. Basically, I'm just scrolling down. Pause it anywhere if you need. Those keys will be obviously reverted. I really made a really minimal install, and here is the command for the skill. Here it's the thing that's ready, and behind this terminal screen is here my skill. All right, so now I'm going to tell it, use it to whitelist your address. And this won't work because it doesn't have an address yet, but it's able to actually use the skill to build this address. Let's check it out. So, it's just running the commands. It's adding the package. It installed the dependencies. It added, it understood the skills here, and it's getting its own addresses. As you can see, it's creating a base address, which is an EVM wallet, which is great. So now it's saving its wallet. It has its own keys. It understands how to save its own keys. And now it's telling us, all right, from the wallet. And now it's understood that it can check its own balance, and it's displaying its addresses for whitelisting. It understands all this stuff, and it checks like how it can use it. Here it understands how to use them for stock predictions, backtests, and credit scores, and how to link a bank account. And then it gives you instructions on how to add the addresses to the whitelist. And all right, so now that we've got our address and it's funded, we can whitelist our address, and here is our address. We do not have a we do not need the agent's private key. We can do it like this, which is quite interesting. And if we paste it like this, we can submit an attestation, agree to the terms and conditions, and now it is allowed listed as a borrower. So there's actually real money on this account, and the next step is to link the bank. So let's just call it I already purchased. Unfortunately, it's not going to work like this. I'm going to redeem this free week. Sorry. It takes a little while. And we continue. All right. And now that we're onboarded, we can add the MCP server, but actually it's already there. And we're back. So I started a new session because it got a little bit diluted in there, and I told it to use the autonomous agent skill to use MCP server with basic Boolean. And here it's just basically figuring things out, and it's basically running right now. So here it is. It's just figuring things out. It's got its wallet, blah, blah, blah. So let's just see if it completes. Normally, yes. And there it is. It's responding. Everything is working. And I see that the wallet's not turning up as funded, so I'm going to fund it now, and let's see. All right, we're back. So basically, I whitelisted the agent, and then I said, send me your JSON signature, copied and pasted that, and I said, try again now that you've been whitelisted, testing the MCP connection, and it returned this prediction for Apple. And here you can see that the agent basically says that we've settled the payments, that we ran a prediction using our MCP server, the paywall worked, the payment was settled, and the tool was executed. I'd invite you to try this out and see for yourself this new way to operate autonomous agents with payment capabilities. Thank you.